Here's the scene here at Elsipogtog School. And here's the scene at the Elsipogtog Fire Department. This is what it looks like here in Elsipogtog. For all you folks out there, today is a bad day to drive around. Unless you got a nice 4x4 like he does. Yeah. And the camera here, I can see a little bit farther than I can see with my bare eye. But anyways, I guess this is just the way it goes, eh? Anyways, folks, this is the main drag here in the Elsipogtog, and well, right now, as you can see in the camera, there's all kinds of blown snow right now, and the road, well, it's kind of disappearing here on me. There we go. And we're having hockey tournaments this weekend too. So there you have it. I'm gonna keep cruising up here and then shut this off for all you guys to enjoy this video that I'm making here. There's the local RCMP station. And there's the Elsipogtog Health Center. And we're going to keep cruising up here and see what we can find. Maybe we might find somebody in the ditch, I bet you. Or maybe what you just finished seeing. The snowplow just passing that car by. You're gonna listen to the squeaks of let's turn this off. There we go. Anyways, you can't even see the rear end of the car. But like I said before, in the camera, it looks so good. I can drive with the camera than my bare eyes. Anyways, there you go. We're almost at the main drag here. Singing Indian Joe song. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, oh, hey. Oh wait, look. There's a Cares Cafe. It's not a cafe anymore. And there's Elsipogtog's motel. And there's the gas bar, Wilson's gas station. And there's a mini casino. Yeah, we got mini casinos here in Elsipogtog. We have another one off to the right too. Way over there. I don't know if you can see that real good though. But we're at the main drag now. That's Highway 116 Wade. Well, wait here. No, I don't think it's any good to go driving. There's a sign there. There's the main drag. Anyways, that's Highway 116. And I'm going to turn on to 116 here. And these are government roads here. Government of New Brunswick. Looks like they've been by, but oh, the roads are messy. So, thanks for tuning in to this lovely snow drive vid. Back to Indian Joe's song, eh? Way oh, hey oh, hey oh, Indian